Welcome everyone. In this practical overview we'll take a look at a titration between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. I'll explain how the concentration of sodium hydroxide can be calculated using a known volume of standardised hydrochloric acid. Check out the previous videos for more information about titrations and how the results are recorded. There are links in the description. This video relates to a BTEC Level 3 Applied Science practical, but it is also relevant to A-level chemistry students. Let's get started. Here is an example of a procedure that could be used. In this case, the hydrochloric acid is the same solution that you standardised in the previous practical, so you will know its concentration. Pause the video and read the procedure carefully. A diagram is helpful so that you know where each reagent is. Also include any volumes and concentrations that you know. The volume of hydrochloric acid is the average titer. The concentration of hydrochloric acid was worked out in the previous practical. The volume of sodium hydroxide is 25.0 centimeters cubed. The aim of this titration is to get results that will enable us to work out the concentration of the sodium hydroxide solution. The results are recorded in a table like the one shown here. There is a thorough explanation of how to record titration results in the previous video, and there is a link in the description. Pause the video and see if you can use these results to calculate the concentration of sodium hydroxide. Calculate the amount of hydrochloric acid in moles. This is equal to concentration multiplied by volume. The volume of HCl is the average titer. This must be in decimeters cubed. Convert from centimeters cubed to decimeters cubed by dividing by 1000. The amount of hydrochloric acid is 2.2086 times 10 to the minus 3 moles. The balanced equation shows that this is a 1-to-1 reaction. 1 mole of sodium hydroxide reacts with 1 mole of hydrochloric acid. At the point of neutralization, the amount of sodium hydroxide is equal to the amount of hydrochloric acid. Finally, work out the concentration of sodium hydroxide. Concentration is equal to amount divided by volume. 25 centimeters cubed of sodium hydroxide was added to the conical flask. This has to be converted to decimeters cubed. The concentration of sodium hydroxide is 0.0883 moles per decimeters cubed, given to 3 significant figures. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Post in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Take care.